What's going on, YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now, we're sitting at $20,664. We're up 6.28%. Guys, it's happening. I mean, obviously, we want a daily candle close up above that 19,900 today, but we are up above it. It is now blue sky breakouts. So what's so important for us today is to have that daily candle close, and we'll call it up above 19,936. Right now, you can see we have no overhead resistance. So this is where things can get really crazy. If another whale jumps in right now at these levels, the RSI is at 67. We typically, when we pump, we'll get up to around 85, 90. So we have plenty of room, guys. We really could turn around and we could be at 23, 24,000 very quickly now. What we're doing is looking at Bitcoin on the one-day time frame. We're up above our 20 EMA. We're up above our 50, our 100, and our 200. You can see the volumes increasing, RSIs moving to the upside there. This is exactly what you would want. Now, the only thing I want to be careful about is because we're up at this area, things can get really tricky, okay? If all of a sudden you see today, you see the candle how it is right now, if all of a sudden it's a massive wick and we're rejected and we're back down in this area, that could show that we had just a ton of rejection and that we're most likely going to have to go down lower, find support before we can go back up again. But right now, everything's looking really good for Bitcoin, even the altcoins here. If we step into some of these and take a look, we're just going to scroll down through because I plan on doing an altcoin video later if I can get it out. ETH's at $619. We got Litecoin at 87. Zcash at 71, Bitcoin Cash back in the 300s. Dash is triple digits again, 101. We're looking at Link, $13. Let's see here. Makers at 525. XRP's at 50 cents right now, up 7%. So we actually have a lot of good stuff, a lot of volume flowing back in to Bitcoin and some of the altcoins right now. Now, if we work through the time frames, we're going to look at the 12-hour here. Same deal. RSI right now is at 70. If we go down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see this big stick of volume right here, and that's what we need. You can see that's the whale manipulation. Whenever they come in, that's not retail buying. You can see these big sticks here, guys. When they come in, they look very similar to each other. That is institutional investors right there pushing this up through that 19,936. So this is a big deal here. On the 4-hour, the RSI is up around 77. And then if we get to the 1-hour, which I like to do a lot of trading on the 1-hour, you can see these big sticks of volume. And remember how we talked about it'll come in a lot of times on like the 5 or 10 minute chart. They just really come in hard, fast, and aggressively. If we zoom out here, so now what we'd be looking to hold as support, this is very important for us now. We want to flip this green. We would want to hold 19,936 as support now. Remember, whenever you break through that resistance, you want it to become support, and then you want to continue moving. That's one of the most important things. The RSI is at 83 right now, so if we do cool down, calm down, even back down in this area, you know, $20,400, whatever, before we potentially get that next move, that would not be a bad thing at all. If we get into the technicals, you can see right here, looking really good. One day, 1 sell, 8 neutral, 19 buy. Oscillators, 1 sell, 7 neutral, 3 buy. Moving averages, 0 sell, 1 neutral, and a 16 buy. And this is what we've been waiting for, guys, and this is why it's so exciting. I mean, I don't know. Put it down low if you've been here with me this entire time. I started my channel in like 2017. You know, we've basically built this channel all through the bear market, and to see Bitcoin now breaking through that $20,000, I mean, guys, this is after 3 years or so. This is a really big deal today, and it's just a pleasure to be here with you. I hope I've been able to help you throughout this, you know, Bitcoin market, and I'm so thankful for all the love and support I've gotten. So really watch these areas, guys. Look out for an altcoin video later if I can get to it. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.